What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to ride a motorcycle without a clutch cable. Whether your clutch cable or lever has broken, I'm going to show you how to get out of this sticky situation. For our purposes here in this demonstration, I've undone my clutch cable so it has no effect on the engine. I'm showing you this because not long ago I was stranded when my clutch cable snapped 300 kilometers from home, so I hope this information helps you. Alright, so getting started from a stop is by far the hardest thing to do when you don't have a clutch cable. There's two ways you can go about it. The first way is basically getting the bike rolling. So if you're on a flat surface, you can push yourself forward, or you can use a hill to your advantage, get rolling just a few kilometers per hour, then punch it into first. It'll make a bit of a clunk, but it'll go. The second option is you start your bike in gear. So you put it in gear, you rock it in gear, and then just send it and just start the bike. This won't be nice to your starter, and I do not recommend doing this up a hill, but it certainly will get you going. So let's show you the first method. Method number one. You're in neutral, switch on, start the bike. Simple. We're gonna push, 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 punch it in gear. Let's go. Oh. Come on. Alright, now the second and more cringy way of doing this is just starting the bike in first. So we're going to turn the bike on, get the bike into gear. Now the bike will let you start it because it thinks the clutch is being pulled, but little does it know it's not. So as soon as you start the bike here, it's going to want to roll forward. This is why I don't recommend doing this up a hill. If you're on flat or downhill, this is an option. So, oh, I feel bad for my starter, but I'm not even going to give it a push. All right, here we go. I'm sorry, FZ6. It's for the people. Oh, I swear this worked before. Really? Got a little angry at me, didn't want to start, period, had to bump start it, but I know it works, so I'm going to do it one more time for you guys. Stressful, man. Breaking your bike on purpose. Oh, yeah. Get it in neutral. Okay. Oh. Now my battery sounds a little bit low. Killing it out here. And as you do when your battery's getting low and it doesn't quite start, you just push, 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 give it a bump start. And now when it comes to clutchless shifting, it takes a little bit of finesse. Once you're in second gear, it's very easy. First to second is just rougher simply because the gear ratios are wider. But once you're in second, you just roll off throttle a little and pull your toe up into third. I often have my toe preloaded just with light pressure pushing up on it so that when I roll off throttle, the transmission slips into the next gear. I'll do it again right before the stop sign. Ready? I'm in fourth now. All right, now we're in first. Gonna clutchless shift to second. You ready? I'm gonna roll off. And it's not the nicest. It does look rough, and I do feel bad for second gear, but it works. Now, on to third, it's easy. Just load up the gear, boom. You don't have to be going slow. To downshift, it's the same. Roll off throttle, push down, the revs will jump, easy. Let's do it once more time for the folks at home. Up to third. All right, we're rolling along. This is accelerating, right? I'm gonna come off the accel and then push down, and that's it. I'm just lightly pushing down with my toe as I come off the accelerator, and that lets you transition into the next gear. You're trying to unload the mesh on the transmission. You can't have the gears forced against each other. They have to be free floating in the middle for the transmission to change gears without a clutch. Let's do a faster hit. All right, let's go. Ready? Easy, nothing to it. Well, that's a wrap on how to ride a bike without a clutch cable. Now, I know we didn't demonstrate starting the bike in first gear with the starter engaging the transmission, but promise me it works. I've done it. I don't know why the FZ6 wouldn't do it on video. It got a little camera shy or something, or maybe it's just sick of all the torture I've put it through, but I can promise you it has worked. It'll work for you when you give it a shot. Other than that, you can also get the bike rolling, bump it into first gear. That always works reliably. The biggest problem when you don't have a clutch cable is going up a hill. So try and plan your route, honestly, that you don't end up stopped facing up a hill, or else you might have to huck a U-turn and come and approach that line again and just not get stuck on that hill. I know sometimes you just got to go on the hill, but you do what you got to do to keep moving. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please smash the like and subscribe button. It really helps me out. And as always, have a good day.